it, don't we? So let's take it back to travel day. Let's get here to Dubai and let's explore the first few days. We're in the hotel. So we are in the Radisson Blu in Manchester Airport. We're staying in a junior suite this time. Let me do just a really quick tour here because it is really cool. So this is the back of the door, nothing exciting there, but let me turn you around. And when you come in, there's a full-on living area. Jessie and Lee watching the planes. And there's a little WC in here, like a literal separate bathroom, which is awesome. Mini bar with an espresso there. A wardrobe in here with a safe. And then yeah, this is the big seating area with nice flat screen TV and the runway view. It's a little steamed up is this window. But let's go through into the bedroom. So it has a slidey door into the master suite. Nice super king bed it looks like. Vanity or workstation, full size mirror and a nice flat screen TV again. Awesome view yet again, like this massive picture window looking out onto the airfield, and the runway is just there. Just been watching some planes take off. Then here is the main bathroom, and this is incredible. Look at this. Got a double vanity, a bath and a shower. This is so cool. This is a huge bathroom. So this looks like an awesome room for the night for us. We're here the day before we're flying to Dubai. We're not really going to do a lot. Oh, the plane's just taking off. But we're going to chill here for a little bit. Lee's got to go drop the car at the car park. Me and Jessie are going to do some playing. And then I think we're going to do the usual when we stay here of heading down to get some food at the restaurant. And a glass of Prosecco, I think, for me too. But also, this is a junior suite. We've never stayed in one before. But Lee said he thinks it was only about an extra £80 a night, which I know can sound like a lot. However, when you include it as part of your cost of your holiday, it's really worth it because this is a really cool room. Look, we're taking off. It is currently 6 o'clock. It's time to head out of the door and go into the airport. Where are we going to go today, Jessie? It's a little bit early for someone, but we're going to go to Dubai, so let's go. Good morning. So we're here in Dubai and it's actually our second day today. Me and Jessie have come to a little like beach playground today. So yesterday we had a really nice family beach day. I did forget to introduce it, so here we are now. This was yesterday. We went to a beach club and had such a nice day at the beach. then in the evening we just played back at our friend's house. Oh yes, so I don't think I've mentioned, but we're in Dubai and we're staying with friends this time. We're going on to Atlantis at the end of the holiday, but we're staying with friends this time, so I'm going to respect their privacy and not be vlogging too much in the house, but I'm going to be vlogging so many things that me and Jessie get up to. So yeah, we had a really nice day with friends and family yesterday, and then Lee is off to some work conventions today and tomorrow, so me and Jessie have just got a little bit of time to ourselves. So today we've come to the, I think it's pronounced the Al Barari playground, and it is awesome. My friend that we're staying with told me about it here, and it's like an oasis of beach and water and playgrounds, and just looks like an incredible place for children. So we've come today and we're going to be spending a good few hours here. Because look at this, this is just so cool. Jessie's already digging. Yeah, you need the excavator. Oh, you want me to be the excavator? I'll come with the excavator, buddy. So we're going to have a really nice few hours here, just relaxing and playing away, aren't we? And we're going to go out with our friends for dinner tonight. So yeah, let's have a nice, fun, playground-filled Dubai day. Waffle fries, chicken strips, and Jessie's beefy hot dog. Does this look delicious? What did you just say about the hot dog, Jessie? It looks yummy. He said it looks like the best hot dog ever. I've not had it. Got your sauce there. Snack now, and both me and Jessie have got vanilla with sprinkles, and here they have a little ice cream shed that's, I think it's like a guilty free one, so they have, it's sugar free and dairy free. Is it good though? Yeah, which I'm looking forward to, because ice cream and milk usually makes me claggy, so let's do a little taste test. That is so delicious, isn't it? Very good. Good morning, so it's another beautiful day here in Dubai, and me and Jessie have just got ready. We're about to head out to go to the beach now. So last night we went out with our friends for some food to a golf club, and it was really tasty. Jessie had a lovely time playing with his friends, and now, well, we actually had a late night. Lee was back from a work event about 11, so we stayed up for him, and yeah, had a little party in our bedroom, all three of us. So now we're up, had a little bit of a lie-in this morning, played with some of our toys, haven't we? Are we going to go to the beach now? Yeah! Yeah! Let's go to the beach! Who wants to have fun at the beach? Me! Me! Let's go! Oh, so we've arrived at the beach now. It's not exactly, to be honest, where I was thinking, but I just googled it and this is where it came up with, so here we are, you know. First time, we don't really know these things, but we've got a nice view of the Burj, we've got sand, we've got water, so you know, we're happy. We've got a few SNACKS's, so we're good for a couple hours until we meet up with Lee. ready. Hey Cruise! Don't eat my toes. Did the beach eat you? What? Did the beach eat Cruise? No. Oh good. So it's not a bit of beach that we planned, it's okay. But I thought we were going to the beach where you can see the Burj Al Arab. I thought it was there, but apparently not. I'm guessing that's Kite Beach, so you can see all the kites just there. You can see them in the sky just there. Yeah, I'm guessing that's Kite Beach. Maybe we should head down there a little bit. Morning from beautiful sunny Dubai today, and Lee's finished his work conference now, an event, so we're all back together as a family. Lots of fun will ensue now, and today we're doing something I've wanted to do for a lot of years. We never did it last time when we came, and that is to go up the Burj today. So we're going to head over to the Burj Khalifa and yeah, do some proper Dubai tourist sightseeing things. Now, but we're not at the very top, we're on floor 148, and this is the view from 148. Is it cool, Jessie? Is it cool what you can see? Yeah. We've spotted the frame. We're not too sure what that is, it's just known as the frame. Is it just like a...
It's a tourist thing.
Yeah, just like
you go the elevator and then there's a glass floor at the top.
Ah. That's cool. The 4th of March today, and as you'll be able to see, we're in a slightly different location now. So we've moved to the Atlantis, and I'm just getting myself ready. So today I'll insert some clips now of what we've been up to. So as you can see, we've just moved hotels now. We've left our friend's house, so yeah, we've just been chilling here today. We've been out at the beach, been on the beach, having some food there in the sea, and then it actually got a little bit chilly and cold, and it did start to drizzle with rain a little bit, so we decided to come up and check out the room instead. And we've just been enjoying the room, had a really nice bath. I've got myself my hair washed, nice and glammed and ready, and the boys have gone down to look at the supercars outside. Well, I finished getting ready, so now I am ready. I'm going to go meet them, and we're going to Wave House tonight for some food. Just a nice casual evening, although I've got a nice glam outfit on. But yeah, it is a little bit more of a chilled out vibe there. So they have some arcade games, they have some live music on. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun evening. So this is my outfit of the evening tonight. It's just a really simple, like nudie coloured bandeau, like one of these slinky material dresses. And I got this for my friend's wedding in last August. And it's just become such a staple for me. It is a really nice dress. Yeah, just curled my hair a little bit. This is my outfit of the night tonight. I'm gonna go meet the boys and we're gonna go have a fun time. In Dubai comes to an end. We've had a fantastic family holiday. We will definitely be back again. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you're not already, I do invite you to subscribe to the channel. We have lots more fun family vlogs and Disney content coming your way extremely soon. Yeah, wow. Hello. So make sure you're subscribed and we'll see you on the next one. Bye! Are there big sharks in there today?